Let me see if I can get this out this time. I tried several times, I keep breaking up. I uploaded a video last night, and I got a lot more out of it than I thought I was going to get. Reading the comments that people left and hearing that you're all doing okay, thank you. One thing's for sure, this ain't no weenie roast. Camping in the virus. I'm not going to shave till it's over. That's right, out here camping in the pandemic. And it's been a wild spring to say the least, wouldn't you say? But I'm glad to be out here. And you know, it's just beautiful out here. You know, this might bring a new meaning to social distancing. I've got a lot of space here. There's nobody here at this campground, and that's the way I like it. So just exercising common sense while camping. You know, we have some issues with this virus. You know, a lot of people don't mention it. I guess it's unpleasant to think about it or talk about it, you know, but we're all going through it. I mean, every day is a roller coaster ride. Pretty much, got that beard, pretty much every friend I've got, I talk to, they're on a roller coaster ride, and they have one good day or a good morning. They wake up, oh, everything's back to normal. Whoops, no, it's not. So, you know, we've got no choice but to cope with it. I think RVers and campers in general are probably pretty well equipped for whatever comes our way. Anyway, I'm out here in New Jersey along the Delaware Water Gap, and set up here for a couple of days. It's been hotter than blazes. It's been in the 90s. come on into my office. It's really hot out, and this this yurt, this clam, quickset clam sky shelter is, for me, it's everything I ever wanted. I could live in here. I always liked yurts, and now I got my own portable one. I'll do a separate video on that. I've done videos on this before, but I just don't get tired of it. It's just such a great shelter. So I've got cooling. I've got my my solar-powered fan, which is like, you know, it's just, let me turn it off. It's a little noisy. It's just too good to be true, you know. So this pandemic thing is impacting a lot of people, I know. And you know, I guess, you know, this is a leisure channel, and you know, maybe a bit of reality doesn't belong here or something, but I don't think so. I think we're all dealing with this pretty good. You know, hardly a day goes by when I'm not completely, you know, forgetting. You know, I go, maybe I'll go do this, and I say, oh geez, there's a pandemic going on, you can't do that. Or maybe I'll go try that, you know, and oh, that's not going to work. And it seems to be the same for all my friends who are on a roller coaster ride, and you know, 1 minute we're up, 1 minute we're down, and you know, one side of us says life as we know it is gone. Will I ever get on an escalator in a shopping mall and be listening to music, you know, again? Well, I don't know. Thank you. How you doing? So far, so good. How's your pandemic going? Good. Here at this campground, it's pretty good. The bathrooms are special. That's why I came here. The bathrooms, the toilets are individual rooms. They're not just like, you know, partitions or something like that. This is a good place, and I'm not telling you where it is. So it's a good place. I tried to book July 4th week, but that was taken. In fact, all the campgrounds I tested, you know, checked out for reservations for July 4th week, they're all booked. So as RV owners, we seem to be ahead of the trend. You know, RV sales out of sight. They're just selling like hotcakes. Bicycle sales selling like crazy. Kayak, canoe sales selling like crazy. Snorkeling equipment selling like crazy. There's just some unusual bright spots in this whole thing, and I ride my bicycle every day, almost every day. I do a 22-mile loop around where I live in Bergen County, New Jersey. And since the start of this thing, you know, it's a solo activity. I'm well separated. I see people out exercising now who I've never seen exercising before. I see whole families exercising, you know, out walking together every evening. The kids, mom, dad, the grandparents, they're all happy. I've never seen such happy people. It's crazy. And the dog is with them. The dog is not happy. The dog is ecstatic. You know, the people are pretty cheery. You know, it just doesn't. There's some real incongruities. You think the sky is falling, and people will be miserable, but I see the opposite. I see people readjusting, you know, to the 1950s. You know, no dining out, no this, no that. You know, it's more like the 1950s than the 1950s were. All right, I just got to show you this because it's almost too much to believe. I got a fan here. The Endless Breeze fan. It's keeping me cool, and the way I'm powering it is with this solar panel. I got the wires hooked up here. They go straight into the fan. It's like perpetual motion, free cooling.